could machines and AI eventually take over?
At some point, you're going to have a perfect assistant that's under your control. That assistant will really help you be successful. And I would argue that that's going to be the end of the great period of AI for the following reason. At some point, maybe in the next 5 to 10 years, these systems will be able to set their own goals. That is completely unexplored. And the problem is that you've got a polymath that's setting its agenda, but it doesn't have human values. At that point, I think we're going to have some serious conversations. Do you know what we're going to do when those computers start talking to each other? We're going to unplug them because they're going to talk to each other in languages where we don't understand what they're talking about. Can you imagine having all of these polymaths that are busy talking to each other and you don't know what they're talking about? They could be talking about destroying you. They could be talking about going out to coffee. They could be jealous that you're human and that they're not. We have no idea. I don't think the world is going to be comfortable with just kind of random activity there.